watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there.
What is up, guys? It's finally time. What is up, guys? It's finally time to change the oil on the FRS. We are here. He's jacking up the car. I'll be too. And get ready. And we're sticking in the rated OW20 to make it thinner. Then what we're running to. No one fucking
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep.
Guys, I don't know how much I'm gonna film because if you don't know how to change the oil on this car, like, bro, rethink your lives. I'm just kidding, guys. Ooh. Better. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, guys. The drain bolt is right there. Super easy. We got the pan right there. I'm just gonna look at my face while you're. No one wants to see that. Can you crank that down? Are you tightening your? Oh! Oh! Just gonna wait for it to drain. This is the oil. It's got 6,000 miles on it. It's pretty dirty. Now we just have to clean off the oil filter seat or whatever you call it. Make sure it's clean. Hell yeah, it looks like my piss. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. It's been Yugen. See you guys next time.